In this video, we will discuss what is meant by shutoff in the plastic product design, how it is different from the draft angle, how to identify the shutoff surfaces, and the purpose of shutoff angle in the plastic product design. And also, we will discuss some few examples of shutoff. So let's start. We know the term of draft angle parting line. We use these both terms in all plastic part, but in some special condition we have to consider the shutoff angle, where the crushing of two half of the mold, that is the crushing of core and the cavity. Mold is nothing but the core and the cavities. During the closing of the mold, the crushing of core and the cavity will be happen. Those who don't know the core and the cavity of the mold, the core is nothing but the extruded portion of the mold part, and the cavity is the depression of mold part. So, to avoid the crushing of core and the cavity, we will add more draft or maintain the clearance in between the mold. As we understood, both in the draft angle and the shutoff angle, we add the angle. But the purpose of adding the angle makes the difference in between them. In a draft angle, we provide the draft to remove the part from the mold easily. And in a shutoff angle, we provide the draft or angle to avoid the crushing of the core and the cavity. Here the purpose makes the difference. In a draft angle, we provide the draft to remove easily from the mold, and in the shutoff angle we provide the angle or the draft to avoid the crushing of the mold, that is crushing of core and the cavity. Now, how to identify the shutoff surfaces? So, finding the shutoff surfaces is a main task. We can identify the shutoff surfaces by observing where the openings or no plastic material in the part, that is hole, slot, some openings are there in the plastic part, and where the core and the cavity are meeting. There is a direct contact between the core and the cavity, and there the crushing will happen there only. Simple. Wherever the core and cavities are mating direct contact, there will be the crushing is present. So after finding the shutoff surfaces, we have to give the more angle or clearance. So the shutoff angle must be more than 3 degrees, and the misalignment on closing must be more than 0.254 mm minimum. You can give the more, you can apply the angle more than 3 degree, or you can maintain the clearance in between the part more than 0.254 mm. So let's see some example to find out the shutoff surfaces. Here you can see that the core, cavity and the plastic part. In a closed condition, we can see that the core and the cavity are in contact. So we have to treat that plastic surface as a shutoff surface and need to apply the clearance or more angle, so that we can avoid the crushing of the mold part and improve the life of the mold. Here we have the hinge feature example. So for a hinge feature, here we can see that the direct contact of core and the cavity. So there may be chances of crushing of core and cavity. This is the condition of shutoff surfaces. So now here you can see that the direct contact of the core and the cavity. So we have to treat that surfaces as a shutoff surfaces. So in a part for a hinge feature, we have to treat that surfaces as a shutoff surfaces and need to take the action. According to that, we have to apply the angle or apply the draft. So friend, in this way we have discussed what is meant by shutoff in the plastic product design, how it is different from the draft angle, how to identify the shutoff surface area, and also the purpose of shutoff angle. And also we have seen some few example on for hinge feature. Also we have seen the example of shutoff surfaces. So in a draft angle, I just quickly recap. In a draft angle, we will apply the angle to remove the part from the mold easily, and we apply the angle in a shutoff surfaces to avoid the crushing of core and the cavity. So thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, share with your friend and spread the knowledge. And if you are not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification of newly uploaded videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.